Hi traders, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at how you can trade even odd using indicators. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to come to the bot section, select the Profit Max Alpha version 2025 bot, this bot, and then we want to trade volatility, let's see 75 1s or 100 1s, but then again we will determine the entry through setting up the chart. So let's just set 75 1s, even odd, and then we come to the stake. So we'll be staking, let's say $10. Remember, this is controlled. You have $500 capital, and you want to grow it in a very structured, controlled manner. Let's have our stop loss at around $200. Let's increase the stake to around $15. $15, take profit $45. Okay. So now the idea here, when you hear trading even odd using indicators, we'll use two indicators, the RSI and EMA, with certain conditions I'll show you right now. So come to the charts, and then select volatility 75 1s, and then we'll use two indicators, exponential, moving average exponential. Okay, there you go. You can see EMA close, EMA 9 close 0. We adjust the length to 20. Okay, this is very important. Adjust the length to 20, and then select another EMA that you will adjust to 50. Okay, now strong directional pressure increases short-term clustering probability of digits. Okay, so if the market is rising, there's clustering of digits and mostly it's even. Okay, and then vice versa, if it's falling, it's normally clustering, but again you can be able to capture odd trades. Okay, so there you can see EMA 20, EMA 50. Those are the two lines. You can change colors for one, but right now one is slightly thicker or slightly blue, the other one is a bit light blue. But again, on settings you can adjust the color. Maybe you have one being red. Okay, so and then you can save this setup, because on the Deriv trading view, the moment you go back to the bot section, you come back again, you'll have to set those indicators, but you can save them like this. So 75 1s EO 2, that is the second setup, because I had one earlier one, so I've added 2 there. And now you can see, come to the bot builder, let's capture even. So when the EMA 20 is above EMA 50 and the RSI is above 60, okay, you can be able to capture even trades. Okay, let's adjust for 1 minute. Okay, now under 1 minute, since the bot uses 1 minute, you can see the setup is not very clear. Okay, you can see the RSI is at 47, around there. It should not be there. It's supposed to be above 60, and then the EMA 20 should be above EMA 50. Okay, and then the RSI should be above 60. That is when you're capturing even trades. So we'll want to look at another market. It's very simple. You'll get it. Just hold on. So let's look at 51s, and you can see 51s. You can see the two indicators, EMA 20 and EMA 50, are below the candlesticks, and then you can see that rising. So let's adjust 51s for even. Okay, let's go back. Adjust and go to 51s. Time frame, don't forget 1 minute time frame. And here you can clearly see the RSI at 60 And then there's a retraction happening there, the red candlestick. So even if we enter the market, it will be a bit choppy. You can see where the green candlesticks went all the way up. That was a very good area to enter for even trades. Right now, there's a retraction. You can see even the RSI tilting and bending, pointing down, though it's at 71. But let's see. Let's wait for the next candlestick and see whether we can capture a few rising trades. So you can see EMA 20, the blue one that is a bit light is above EMA 50. There we are. Let's enter the market. We've entered, not the best setup, but in terms of the EMA and the RSI, they are in good locations. It's only that we've caught it at the end when it wants to start reversing. But let's see, we can still at least be able to capture some even entries because there's still momentum in terms of the digits clustering. Okay, so let's see. So you can already see when the RSI is pointing down, that's when we are getting losing trades. And when you see the red candlestick also, it's not easy to get those even trades. We've managed, but that is not the perfect setup. Okay. But because of shooting the video, mainly explaining, we want to capture trades there. You see there, that is why you want to capture even when they are rising, and then it's above 60 here. Okay. And then the EMA 20 is above the EMA 50. That is a very good area to capture even trades. Right now, there's a retraction, but let's see. We can see a green candlestick, and you can see it's rising. So whenever it's rising like that, you can also see we are aligning and getting good even trades. You can see, and you can also see the pointer there is pointing up. Okay. So you want to time when it's pointing up, it's above 60, and the two EMAs are aligned in that way. You find the EMA 20 is above the EMA 50. Okay, you see we've hit our take profit. For the sake of shooting the video, I'm not timing for those perfect entries, but I had to release this video because somebody had inquired about this, and you can clearly see this strategy can work, guys. It works. Okay, it's only a matter of timing. Let's see here. We should be able also to capture some profits. Okay, you can see we recovered at 120, got $100. Let's see. Look at the RSI. The moment it points up or retracts in a way that it wants to rise, we normally capture even trades. So with this structured method, it's not easy for you to blow your account, and at least you know 90s, 80% chance you're trading towards that direction. Okay, you're not fighting the market. There again, we've hit our take profit, $50, guys. Okay, so this bot is found at bots.profitmaxtrader. The links are below the video, and then you can see the strategic positioning of the chart and the run button, and you can see your trades running at the same time. You can look at the charts. That is why some of these third-party sites are here to help traders. A simple positioning like this is also an advantage to you as a trader because you can see the chart at the same time you can see the trades coming in. Okay, so we're in the market again. We started with $501. Right now we're at $600, capturing $45, $50 profits. Okay, now there we can stop because you can see the red candlestick forming. You can actually even just stop your bot manually like that. Okay, let's look at another volatility, 75 1s. Let's look at volatility 75 1s. Yeah, and here we can also capture now this formation of even bias. This formation of even bias. Come back, and then you had saved the chart. So open the layout here, 75 1s EO2, and now we can see at the 1 minute time frame. You can see already, yes, there's a crossover there. Also, not a very good time to take trades. You want to take the trades when those two indicators have already split very clearly. Okay, I'm just doing this to be able to demonstrate on the video, but you want the EMA 20, EMA 50 to be well separated, not crossing over like that. And then you want the RSI below there to be above 60. Okay. But let's see, we should be able to hit our take profit because you're doing short scalping. There you go, $46 in profit. Okay, so I hope you are getting the concept. Wait for the two EMAs to totally split. You'll be able to get some profits, not struggling like this, okay? But still, we are able to hit our take profit. Look at RSI there, it's at 70 now and looking straight. You can see RSI is looking straight. You can see the separation of the EMA 20 and EMA 50 already happening. We're at $41, $54 made. Okay, there we've hit our take profit 54. Okay, very good concept. Very good concept for even odd. There you can see we are now at $765 and we started with $501, guys. Okay, so this is for people who have got at least some good capital and want controlled, serious trading. You can do this with any, of course, any capital, but at least save up, have a strategy. This is a strategy. Get serious on it, and you'll be able to most of the times grow that account. Now, here you can see the RSI is at 48. So once it's at 45 to 55, do not trade. The market is very choppy and there is no digit clustering. Okay. Once the RSI is between there at 50, 45, 55, don't trade. Okay. Now here, there seems to be a retraction on 75.1s. You can see the RSI going down. So again, not very good to trade. I believe you've understood where to capture those trades. You can scout the volatilities, and then the bot to use is the Profit Max Alpha version 2025, that bot. And then set up as I have shown you, and then come to the charts. Remember the RSI settings and how to save them, because once you bounce back and forth, you'll have to set them up afresh. So always save them. And you can see we are using EMA 20, EMA 50. Candlestick time frame is 1 minute, like that. Those are the two indicators. You can even change one color, and then the RSI is the RSI 14, guys. Okay, so try it out on demo. Let me know how it goes on comment section. Remember to subscribe. Cheers and happy trading. This is a very good strategy. Good luck, guys.